Greetings, fellow humans. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to paint an articulated axolotl that my friend gave me. Now, if you're into the cakes, I'm really sorry. There will be more cake videos, so don't worry. Today we're just going to do a little crafting video. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to be using my acrylic experience, which is pretty much zero. Are you interested in painting? No. So what am I doing? So my plan is to paint this guy like Creature, rest in peace Creature, who was a albino axolotl, and I want to make this 3D axolotl look like her as much as possible. So she's like a lot of pinks, she's very transparent, she's got the blue eyes though, she doesn't have the red eyes. So my first step is going to be making the skin, kind of mottled skin. I'm going to take a different colors, probably start with the yellow as a base and just gently, you know, sponge it on there and see what we get. I wonder if this is a little ASMR. I don't know how it sounds. This thing is sliding. That's gonna be a problem later. I know it now, but I'm not gonna do anything about it. You're gonna give me some spice. A little spice. I'm sure there's like 1,000 different ways to do this so much better. Like I probably should prime this or sand it or something, because you see like sort of all the 3D ridges, but I'm just doing this because I think it'll be fun and I want to honor my creature. Okay, I'm a little scared to do the first sponge. Don't bark, don't bark. This is a very pivotal moment. Must focus. Oh, I need paper towel. Like that's like the most important thing when you're dealing with paints for mistakes. It's like an eraser. So I think we ran out of towel paper, so we're just gonna have to use toilet paper. It should be fine, I think, right? The kind of golden yellow works best here. The yellow ochre, as they say. So it's kind of hard to tell on camera, like, that there's some color happening here, but there is. There is some color. We're just slowly layering it up. Okay, I'm gonna use a different sponge for the next part. I'm gonna do the pink. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Try to take that off. Take it off. So it looks like it dries a little bit brighter, and that's good to know because I kind of forgot that acrylics kind of change in color as they dry, which I don't feel like is the same with oil paints. So I'm gonna paint the eyeballs down, so that's fine. Yikes! Kind of looking like a joker. Kind of looking like he cried a little bit for a couple of days. It's gonna be okay. This might not turn out good, but I think the expectations have been set on this channel already. Want to do the ridges? All in pink. Yeah. And then I just take some water with the sponge and like actually just kind of blend it in there a little bit if it's too bright. Oh, whoa! Earthquake. It's looking a little weird, guys. Looking a little weird. But I think it will be okay. I think I'm gonna do more of the blue stuff right now. Just gonna use a little toilet paper to dilute this a little bit. I just want a little bit of blue, not a lot. Okay, I'm gonna do the glands. I'm gonna do the gills. I'm gonna do the gills right now, just while I have the red. Okay, I'm going to focus on the face right now. My axolotl, like most axolotls, like have a permanent smile on their face. So I want to make sure I give this guy a little smile at the bottom, just a little bit. Now we're going to do the eyes. This is going to be the hard part because these brushes are not so good. There you go. Nice, she's coming together. I think I'm going to add a little bit of yellow on top. No! I keep going back and forth with like repairing the damage I do. Apologize to everyone if this is really messy and it's not satisfying. A little bit of the sponge. Whoa! No! He just put his hand in the paint! This is what happens when you have paint everywhere. Everything is a palette. Okay. Alright, he's safe. I'll probably put a little bit more red on the ridge, and then we'll probably just say that's good enough. You can trim the sponges to kind of get into smaller regions, which I didn't do and didn't really think about until now. Just gonna do a little bit of the red on top here. Alright guys, well I think that's all that there is to do with this axolotl. I think it was fun, and I think it was a little bit different than what I normally do, but hopefully it was still enjoyable, maybe informative, I don't know. But anyway, happy mismaking, everybody.
Body a bum bum bear when the bed